Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's Value Bank here, and in this video I want to have a heart-to-heart conversation with people who wants to start an online business in 2025. Now, there are people who really want to start an online business, and first of all, my major advice for you, it would be to start. I remember when I started my first online business in 2016. I made a lot of money starting that business. The thing was that I just saw an opportunity then, and I never even thought of it twice. I just decided to take advantage of that opportunity. And that year, I think I actually made about 15 million naira. I made a lot of money that year just helping people make money online. So that was the kind of business, online business I was just like a middleman. I was helping people. I was making money with the platform, and I was also helping people make money online. But before we actually go into how you can start an online business, the first thing I want to actually discuss with you is the things you need to avoid and what people are doing that is stopping them not to start an online business. There are some bad habits that you are cultivating that is preventing you not to start an online business. And number one on my list is scrolling on social media. There are some people today who should have started an online business far way back, making at least $10,000, $100,000 a year or a month. But do you know what is stopping them? They are on TikTok, they are on Facebook, they are on Instagram, Snapchat, they are even on YouTube, scrolling on YouTube, scrolling on TikTok, reacting to videos on TikTok, watching other people fulfill their dreams while they just scroll. And on the internet, there is something you need to understand. We have two sets of people. We have people who use the internet, and we have people who get used by the internet, or who get used by the people who use the internet. I don't know if you understand. Now, and in those two sets of people, we also have, like, they are divided into two sets. We have the consumers and we have the creators or the producers. Now, the consumers on the internet are people who watch the content on the internet or who read the content on the internet. You get. Now, if you are someone and maybe your aim or your goal in 2025 is to make at least $10,000 this year, or you have set a goal of making your first $100,000 online this year, you won't go around consuming content. You understand? In aspect of you are going for fun or anything like that. If you will be consuming content, it is consume content to produce. You get. I don't know if you actually get my point. So you don't consume content just because you want to consume content, or you want to have fun, or you want to while away time. You consume content because you want to produce. You get. And the people who produce on the internet are the people who really makes the money. So you have to make sure that you are not among the 90% of people who are consuming or who are getting used by the internet. You want to be among the people who use the people that are consuming on the internet. Let's take, for example, now you are watching this video and the channel that you are currently watching is monetized. Any video I put out in this channel and any views I get, it actually counts in me making money on YouTube. So for someone like you, and I know there are some people who are watching this video today who want to start a YouTube channel, but they have cultivated the habit of scrolling on social media, and this can actually take away like 4 hours of their time every single day, and they are not starting. So the first habit you need to stop is to stop scrolling on social media and rewire your mind to start producing on social media. So if you are coming on Facebook, or you are coming on YouTube, or you are going to TikTok to see content, it should be for you to see content that will help you do what you want to do online. If you want to learn graphic design, for example, you should come to YouTube and look for videos that will help you, teach you how to understand graphic design and how to make money from it. If you want to learn how to do YouTube, it's for you to turn down your camera on and start sharing your message and start doing your stuff and start. There are some people that have actually become millionaires. YouTube has paid me a lot of money. I've made money from YouTube. I've made money outside YouTube. and I've made money using YouTube to actually sell my stuff. You get? Now, it doesn't matter the kind of business you want to start. It can be Amazon KDP, publishing books online. It can be graphic design, designing stuff for people. It can be doing YouTube yourself. It can be doing TikTok. It can be doing crypto. It doesn't really matter the one that you want to do, but you have to make sure that you just kick away that 90% population mindset of just coming to consume content on internet. And number two is the inability to make the decision to start. Some people, they can't make just they just can't just fix it to themselves to actually make that decision to actually start that business. You get? When I saw that opportunity in 2016, it was not on the internet. I was just listening to the radio, and I saw these people announcing this stuff. There is an online business that can pay you so amount of money, and if you do this and you do that, you actually earn this amount of money. So I went to the seminar. I was taught how this business worked. It was then the money I had, I used this money to actually get my first laptop, and I started this business. I started making money from this stuff, millions, and I started telling people about this stuff, and I started helping them earn money on these platforms. By becoming a middleman, I was earning from them by actually doing stuff for them, and I was also earning by using the platform to actually earn money. You understand? So the decision I took to just start is something that actually really helped me. So it doesn't matter what you want to start. If it is YouTube, just start. YouTube, I've seen YouTube pay people crazy amount of money. I've seen book publishing pay people crazy amount of money. You understand? I've even see people just understanding how money works, because this channel actually based this channel based on three things: how to make margin, manage and multiply your money. So I am into book publishing. I also do YouTube. So in this channel, I teach you how to make money publishing books on platforms like Amazon, Kobo, Apple Books, and every other platforms out there that you can put out your books. I teach people how to use YouTube to also make money through content creation, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. I also teach people how to understand money and gain financial intelligence. There are some people who make money but can't keep that money. I also show them how to do that. I lost a lot of money in 2016 that I made a lot of money, and I'll be sharing my advice and my mistakes in this channel. So please, it doesn't matter the kind of business you want to start, just start. YouTube, just start recording yourself and start sharing your message. If it's book publishing, just start writing that book. If it actually takes you to actually get a course to start learning this stuff, get it. You are investing in your future, and you want to make your life better in 2025. You don't want 2025 to be another year of saying I will start in 2026, I will start in 2027. Just start. You understand? So if you start this year, just look at the amount of growth that you will bring to your life before the year comes to an end, and the amount of value that you bring to not only you, to people. There are some people who have been seeing my YouTube channel, and it has helped them a lot in so many ways, just because I decided to record videos and put on this platform to actually help them make things easy for themselves. You that is seeing this video, there is someone who will start YouTube just because they saw this video, just because I decided to record this video today. There are some people who will start publishing on Amazon just because they started this video. There are some people who started publishing on KDP on Amazon just because they saw my video and they saw how simple it was to start and how simple it is to start publishing and earning money online. I made a lot of money in 2024, and in this year I've also set my target something crazy to as a goal to actually achieve this year, and I am going for it. So what I actually want to tell you is this: in all, just start. Kill that habit of scrolling on social media, kill that habit of indecision, and just start recording yourself. Just start writing that book, just start learning how to do that graphic design and all that. Just start. That is the point. Just start. I know you have actually gained a lot of value in this video, So what I actually want to tell you is this: if you are a new subscriber and you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Value Bank, and I create videos on how you can make, manage, and multiply money on the internet. So please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do well to like this video, and also do well to share this video. Is the most important part. Please make sure you share this video to a lot of people so that a lot of people will also benefit from this video. Thank you so much. I remain Value Bank, and as always, I am always rooting for you from afar. Thank you, and God bless you. See you on the next one.